Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a lower back machine. First, adjust the pad so your hips are positioned just above the pivot point of the machine. This ensures proper alignment. Next, firmly plant your feet on the footplate, providing a stable base. Finally, select a weight that allows you to perform the exercise with controlled movement and good form without straining. Start light to master the technique. Once set up, begin the movement by slowly leaning forward, allowing your lower back to stretch comfortably. As you extend your torso upwards, focus on engaging your lower back muscles to lift the weight. It's crucial to avoid hyperextending your back at the top. Stop when your body forms a straight line. Maintain a smooth, controlled pace throughout the entire range of motion, both up and down. Proper breathing is key for this exercise. Exhale as you extend your torso upwards, engaging your muscles, and inhale as you slowly lower your torso back to the starting position. For optimal results, aim for 3 sets, performing 10 to 12 repetitions in each set. Remember to take a brief rest period of 60 to 90 seconds between each set to allow for recovery. To maximize effectiveness and prevent injury, avoid using momentum to swing the weight. Focus on slow, deliberate movements. Keep your core muscles engaged throughout the exercise to provide support and protect your spine. Always listen to your body. If you experience any sharp pain, stop immediately. As your strength improves, gradually increase the resistance to continue challenging your lower back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.